Another day of the market showing weakness and another day of everybody absolutely shitting their pants. Now, I know there's a lot of people that are concerned that we are getting into a bear market, but let me tell you that I'm one of those people that think that we are just around the corner from a parabolic altcoin season. If you don't know who I am, my name is EQ and I've helped over 1,500 people learn how to trade since 2021. Right now, we are currently testing in the Epic Golden Pocket. We just opened the daily candle about 30 minutes ago, so I would love to see us create a lower wick right now and then potentially start to push to the upside. This is a great zone for accumulation. You can see based on volume, we're holding bullish on the 0 VFI. Everything is holding where it wants to be and where it should be. You're also seeing very strong signs of a hidden bullish divergence, which is going to be higher highs on price action and lower highs on the MACD or the CCI or on volume. In this case in particular, we're seeing it on the MACD. We're seeing extreme exhaustion, while at the exact same time, you're seeing an inflow of volume, which would be a regular bullish divergence tucked in with a hidden bullish divergence. Now, as we continue to clear liquidity and move money from dumb to smart, aka from short term to long term, you can see the sentiment really shift on social media. Everyone is freaking out. People are screaming and crying bear run. The sentiment has gone extremely negative. There's tons of fear in the market. So as you can imagine, it could be pretty difficult to trade against the grain and continue a bullish sentiment and a mindset of accumulation while everyone else is freaking out and telling you to panic sell. Even just taking a quick look at volume change in the last 24 hours, everything is green. Ethereum is up almost 115% in transactional volume in the last 24 hours. So although price is selling off, volume is going up. And I'm a volume trader first and foremost, so I like to look at volume as more as a forecaster and a predictor, whereas price action is just going to be more reactive based on what's going on in the macros, what's going on in the news, and so on and so forth. And this is what I mean by extreme fear, and you want to be greedy when others are fearful. Everything on the daily, from Bitcoin to Ethereum and total market cap, all on strong sell signals, which I consider extreme fear, to the point that only one buy signal, and 0 buy signals on totals. So this gets me excited as a long-term trader because I love accumulations and dollar cost averaging so that I can take advantage of the long-term move. I know that my biggest plays in 2020 to 2021 were things that I waited basically 6 to 12 months in order to take profit on. So I'm taking that same mindset and mentality going into this super cycle and essentially impatiently watching Bitcoin dominance, which is just testing another LRC resistance confirmation and waiting for this to break out of this rising wedge that we've been stuck in. And then we can truly sell off Bitcoin dominance and get into the low 50s and high 40s. That'd be extremely bullish. And as you can see, we are also showing a lot of volume signs and regular bearish divergences on the Bitcoin dominance chart. So all in all, patience equals patience. And that's what I always like to say in the Epic trading floor. I'm maintaining my bullish long-term sentiment that altcoin season is right around the corner. If you want to come trade with me, there are limited spots available in the Epic mentorship program. So I'll tag that link in the description. I'll also tag it in the video as well. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world. And I will see you on the next video.